All right, my Google Doc probably doesn't have as much information as yours does, but I just want you to be able to see what I mean by highlight and make your information match your essential questions. So if I look up here, I'm going to go ahead and pick a color for this one. So I hold down my mouse, I highlight this part right here, then I come up to this button right here that says highlight color, and then I pick one of the colors that I haven't used yet. And then, for example, my information I have right here, jellyfish have been around for millions of years. It is believed that jellyfish existed even before dinosaurs. This information matches up with this essential question: how long have jellyfish been around? So I'm going to highlight this in that same pink color so that later on I know that these two bits of information will go together.